Welcome to Langma School of Languages, a bridge to the world of education and opportunities. In this video, you will explore the world of Ausbildung and its unique career building opportunity that combines learning with earning. So let's get started. Ausbildung is a German word for vocational training. It's not just education, it's a pathway to success. In Germany, Ausbildung is a dual system that blends theoretical knowledge from the classroom with practical skills gained through hands-on experience. The dual Ausbildung is a blend of on-the-job training at a company and a classroom instruction at a vocational school. This dual approach ensures the students gain hands-on experience while also understanding the theoretical aspects of their chosen field. Why Ausbildung important? For starters, it prepares students and individuals for the real world. Unlike traditional study programs, Ausbildung equips you with the skills that employers are actively seeking. There are over 300 recognized Ausbildung professions, ranging from healthcare and IT to craft and management. At Langma School of Languages, we offer programs created to the global market, ensuring you are ready for international opportunities. Let's talk about the types of Ausbildung. There is the dual vocational training, where you split the time between a company and vocational school. And the school-based vocational training focused more on classroom learnings. Career opportunities after completing Ausbildung are vast. Graduates can look forward to roles in their trained profession, with many finding positions abroad. The skills you gain are in high demand, opening doors to a prosperous future. But why choose Langma School of Languages for your Ausbildung? We offer a unique program that not only teaches you a profession, but also prepares you for the global industries. With our guidance, you can work and make money abroad, experiencing different cultures and expanding your horizons. Ausbildung is more than just training. It's a stepping stone to higher education and lifelong learning. It's a chance to grow, to earn, and to become a part of something bigger than yourself. At Langma School of Languages, we've embraced the Ausbildung model to offer unparalleled career building opportunities. Our programs are designed to not just teach you a language, but to prepare you for a global career. So, if you're looking to learn and earn, to build a career that takes you to places, Langma School of Languages is your gateway to the world. Join us and let's build your future together. Let's discuss about some important processes. Who can apply for Ausbildung? For applying in Ausbildung programs, the process is very easy. In fact, there isn't really any age limit or special requirements. Anyone who has a valid metric or school passing certificate can apply for these programs. The average age for applying in these programs is between 18 to 27. When to apply? Starting off the year is considered the best time to apply for these courses. In fact, Langma School of Languages will give you in-depth guidance and assistance for all your queries and processing time. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly. Your journey starts here at Langma School of Languages.